Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that will own the photo. Make sure your image is accessible on the device or cloud. Check file type and size. Open the specific Google product you intend to update because each path differs: Google Photos, Google Maps, or a business profile. Once signed in, navigate to the correct profile or location page. This is the first actionable step. Then select the Upload or Add Photo option to begin transferring your file into Google's interface. You now pick the upload method that matches your source, device, drive, or drag and drop in browser. Once the file is uploaded, add a clear title and a concise description explaining what the photo shows and why it matters. Use location tags and categories when available so Google Places and other users can find it. For business profiles, assign the photo type, interior, exterior menu. Make sure to review visibility settings. These determine who will actually see the image once processed. Finish by previewing the photo and confirming all metadata is accurate, then save or submit. You should allow Google a short processing window. Sometimes photos take minutes to appear public. If it doesn't show up, make sure you cleared cache or refresh the app. Re-upload the file if necessary. Also check account permissions and that you use the correct product, Maps versus Business Profile. One key troubleshooting tip: re-export the image at a standard size and format. Then try again if uploads keep failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.